Hi, it's Captain Sir John here. What we've got here is what's commonly referred to as a Japanese reel, a yo-yo reel, or a Cuban reel. And I'm going to show you how you rig this reel for what we call bottom fishing, and that's here in the Bahamas. You take your line, take about 2 feet, the end of the line, you double it over like that. You get a hook, and I'm using size 9 hooks here for just local bottom fishing. You push the doubled end through the loop, the back of the hook. You pass it over the business end of the hook, and you pull it tight. Then you take the hook, just hook it into something, and you twist the line. I usually do about 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it 10, 12, some people do it 15, whatever makes you happy. Tie a knot in the line like that. And then that gives you the hook, and then about a foot of line left over. Now you put your lead weight on that bit, you run it down to it's about the same length as the hook, and then you just tie it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of the excess. There you go. That is now rigged up, ready for bottom fishing.